In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot to help you decide which one fits your needs the best. Let's dive in and guide you through the steps you'll need to follow to make an informed decision. First, you'll want to open Chrome or your preferred web browser and conduct a search using the keywords Notion AI versus Microsoft Copilot comparison. This is your starting point to gather all the information you need, so make sure you're armed with patience and curiosity as you embark on this search. By entering these specific terms, you'll be directed to a plethora of resources ranging from reviews to official announcements that cover a broad spectrum of details about both tools. Once your search results appear, it's crucial to visit sources that are trustworthy and reliable. You might want to check out established tech review websites known for their detailed analysis and non-biased opinions. Additionally, don't overlook the benefit of visiting the official pages of Notion and Microsoft. These official channels often provide comprehensive and up-to-date information directly from the developers themselves, ensuring that you receive accurate insights straight from the source. As you delve into these resources, pay close attention to a few key aspects. You'll want to focus on understanding the main features of each tool, their pricing structures, integration possibilities with other software you might already be using, and the user reviews. Features are the heart of your comparison. Investigate the AI capabilities of both platforms to see how they align with your requirements. Evaluate their collaboration tools, as these can be crucial if teamwork or productivity enhancement is what you're after. Pricing is also an important factor to consider. It's always wise to weigh the cost against the benefits each tool provides to determine value for money. User reviews can offer a window into the everyday user experience, highlighting strengths and potential drawbacks from real-world usage. After gathering all this information, it's time to compare the two tools side by side. Create a simple chart or list to help you visualize the similarities and differences. This comparison can clarify which features stand out in each product and how they meet your specific needs. Consider which attributes are most important to you, whether that's advanced AI capabilities, ease of integration, affordability, or superior collaboration tools. Finally, summarize the key points you've uncovered during your research. This summary can serve as your guide in making an informed choice. Decide which tool not only aligns with your current needs, but also holds promise for your future projects or goals. And there you have it, a straightforward pathway to making a confident decision between Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot. Hopefully, these steps help simplify the process and enable you to choose the tool that best complements your work style or project needs. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and comparisons.